Hello everyone, my name is Kurt Isita from CSS122, and in this video we're gonna be discussing about my SWOT analysis, wherein we talk about my strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. For my strengths, the strengths that I am aware of that I possess would be the adaptability to work environment or any environment I am in. Hard skill wise, on the other hand, would be disassembling and assembling of computer. So as I have experienced this from my work immersion, uh, I have honed my skill when it comes to disassembling and assembling my computers in general. And one of my weaknesses would be the things that I want to improve about myself is the discipline to finish certain tasks given to me, such as this one. Very evident na hindi ako nagawa on time or nagpapasa ng mga activities. And hard skills that I want to improve would be laptop disassembling and assembling, as ang hirap niya i-figure out kung ano yung mga tatanggalin sa hindi. And soft skills that I want to improve would be, of course, public speaking, as everyone fears this the most. And sa opportunities naman, PC maintenance, PC cleaning, disassembling and assembling. Software application skills such as MS Office, Canva, CapCut, MS PowerPoint. I can use them with ease. Hindi ako nahihirapan gumamit ng mga software applications and pag disassemble and assemble ng computer parts. So threats naman, threats that I perceive would be the burnouts. Of course, by taking breaks in between studying and working, I see myself overcoming these potential threats. And yun lang. Thank you po.